Subscribe to my channel PRIKNOWtomakeit and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos first. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how I have made this wall decor piece by using some waste materials and some decorative stuffs. So let's get into the video. Here I am using a newspaper to give some thickness to the box. Here I am using small round glass mirrors. You can use any shaped mirror for this decoration. You can find these round mirrors on Amazon.in or Flipkart. I'll provide the link in description box, so do check it out. You can also find these colorful round and drop shape kundans on Amazon.in. I'll provide the link in description, so check this link as well. Now I'll use pista shells for the outer decoration, and to stick that I'll use glue gun. so while using it, be careful. Let it dry for few minutes. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you like my idea then please click on the like button and share this video with your friends. Also do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Till then, take care, bye bye. I'll see you in my next video.